The 100. Draw both legs into your chest. Hold on to your legs. Curl your head and chest up to a tight ball. Send your legs out to a tabletop position with your knee directly above your hip and shins parallel to floor. Hold on behind your thighs and actively curl up, deepening and hollowing out your abs. Hover your arms right above your abdominal wall and start to pump your arms 6 to 8 inches up and down. Taking deep breaths, inhaling for 5 counts, exhaling for 5 counts. Repeat 10 times without taking a break. Rest your head flat onto the floor rather than curling it up if the move feels too difficult. Single leg circles. Lay down on the mat, shoulders down, ribs down, and extend your right leg straight up to the sky with the left leg bent, foot flat on the floor. Circle your right legs across your body to your left shoulder, then back around to your right shoulder. Stop at your nose. Focus on keeping abdominal scoop in. Repeat 5 times, then reverse and switch legs. Single leg teaser. Laying on your back, walk your feet in closer together with your legs at a longer angle, not right in near your hands. Extend one leg out, tightly hugging your inner thighs and knees together. Reach your fingers for your toes, piece by piece. Start to slowly round your body up, reaching for those toes. Roll down only to your shoulder tips. Come right back up and reach. Repeat 4 times. Place that foot down, send the other one out, and repeat 4 times. Crisscross. Lay on your back, knees pulled into your chest, hands supporting the base of your head. Extend your right leg straight in front of you. Left leg remains bent. Twist towards your left leg, holding for 3 counts. Switch, extending your left leg straight, pulling your right knee into your body. Spiral your chest towards the right knee, holding for 3 counts. Repeat twice, then do the move faster for 4 more pull rotation, once on each side. So, sit up, legs spread as wide as a yoga mat, with your arms straight out to your sides. Twist to your left. Stretch your right hands towards your left foot, pulsing 3 times. Roll up in the twist, untwist, and return to center. Repeat on the opposite side. Repeat once more on each side. Mermaid. Rest on your right hip in a seated position, with your legs folded together to the left side like a mermaid. Place your left hand around your ankles and hold your right arm straight up in the air, grazing your ear. Keeping your abdominals engaged, reach your right arm towards the ceiling and then out and over to the left, making sure your arm stays straight. You should feel a stretch along the right side of your body. Repeat twice. For a counter stretch, place your right hand on the mat, bending it slightly. Lift your left arm up near your ear and stretch to the right. Spin your legs around and repeat on the opposite side.